Hello friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will be testing another CarPlay adapter from the famous Explorer company. Now this company made ApplePie Mini and ApplePie Max in the past, and today they've launched this new ApplePie Lite 2-in-1 CarPlay and AndroidAuto adapter. Now as you can see, this is such a nicely designed adapter. It is so small, very compact. It's in a shape of a car, a sports car, but definitely one of the best designed adapter in the market. So what comes in the box is this cable. This is a cable to connect the adapter with your car. Now it has type A and type C connection. This is what I need for my car. But if your car has a type C connection, then use this converter to convert the A to C, right? And then you just need to connect it with the adapter, and this part goes into the system of your car. That's it guys. So let me take this out, connect it with my car, and then we will test all the different functions and features of CarPlay and Android Auto. So keep watching guys. So we will now connect the adapter with the USB port in my car. So I've connected the cable with it, and now I will connect this USB-A with the system of my car. There you go. It will take a few seconds for the device to show up on the screen. There you go. So now this is the main connection page that we get. Now we have an option of either connecting our Android mobile or the iPhone mobile to use either the CarPlay or the Android Auto system. So now we will start off by connecting the Apple CarPlay. So basically when I clicked on the Apple CarPlay, the device is now restarting, and then it will take me to the Apple CarPlay connection page. There you go. So now you see the Apple CarPlay logo right at top, and if I want Android Auto, I have to click this and it will restart and bring me to the Android Auto connection page. Okay, so what we need to do is on our mobile, just go to the Bluetooth, open the Bluetooth settings, and then we will be able to see a new device appearing at the bottom here. So it's called APL826F, and that's the same appearing on the main screen. So we click on this, we pair the device, we allow the syncing, alright. So now we can see the Apple CarPlay homepage on the screen. Alright, so this is a standard CarPlay homepage. So you see the time, the connection on your mobile, the battery of your mobile, 3 applications that are last used or the ones that are opened. This gives you a split screen with the map and some other applications like music and all. Click on this, get to this main homepage. You've got 8 apps appearing on this homepage. You've got the standard phone, music, map, messages. This Toyota icon takes you back to the main original home screen of the system. So we click on this, we come here, we click on Apple CarPlay, and we're back to the Apple CarPlay homepage. And then on the right side we have more applications. Now all the applications that are installed on your iPhone and the ones that are compatible with Apple CarPlay system will appear. So things like Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, which are not compatible, will not appear on the home screen. Now let's test a few functions of Apple CarPlay just to test the performance of this ApplePie Lite adapter. So let's first test Siri. Hey Siri, play some music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
Yeah, so music is playing. Hey Siri, stop the music. Hey Siri, take me to Mercato Mall.
Getting directions to Mercado Shopping Mall.
Alright, so Siri is working and the navigation is also working. Let's try to make a call. Hey Siri, call Ibster.
Calling Ibster. Home.
Okay, so that's my other phone. Let's see. Okay, so it's working. Cool. So Apple CarPlay seems to be working fine. Now let's connect Android Auto and test some of the functionality of that system. So what we need to do is go to our Android mobile, open the Bluetooth settings on the mobile. Okay, so switch on Bluetooth. Then we should be able to see this new device appearing as APL A26F. There you go. Click on that. Okay, so pair it. So we can see the device is connected. Now we should be able to see the Android Auto homepage on the screen any second now. Alright, so there you go. So this is the main homepage of Android Auto. Again, these are all the apps that are available on your mobile and the ones that are compatible with the Android Auto system. Now this is the standard Android Auto. I will not explain all the different functions, but I will just test a few to test the performance of this ApplePie Lite adapter. Okay, so now let's test a few functions of Android Auto. Let's see if the map is activated. Yeah, so we've got the map activated. Okay, so map seems to be working. Let's play some music. And yeah, the steering wheel controls are also working. Okay, so let's stop the music. Let's come back to the main home page. All right, now let's make a call. Okay, so let's see if I can call on my mobile. There you go. Cool. So the calling is also working. Calling, map, music, everything seems to be working fine on Android Auto. So finally, I would like to run a very quick speed test. This is a startup test to see how long does this adapter take to start and get to the main home page when we switch on the car. All right, so I've got my stopwatch ready. What I will do now is unplug the adapter and then plug it back in and then start the timer. Alright, so that's about 23 seconds, which is quite decent. It's quite fast. That's it, guys. So we've tested some of the important functions and features of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this ApplePie Lite 2-in-1 adapter, and they all worked perfectly fine. I must say this is definitely one of the best designed adapter I've tested. So if you're interested to buy it, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the website of the makers where you can purchase this adapter. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this device, just drop me a WhatsApp message. I've provided a direct WhatsApp message link in the description of this video. Finally, please do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks.